Hi, this is Jesse from Bold Grid, and I'm here today to answer another question from one of our users. Steven says, editing the Creo theme in Inspirations, but it will not publish after making changes. So that's a little tough to troubleshoot without a little more information. So I'm going to walk you through how we can get some information from you and help you out. So here I am in Creo, and I'm just going to go ahead and make a change. Um, for example, maybe I'll switch the color palette here, and let's do this one. And so we can see some changes happened here. I'm going to go ahead and publish that. And so what I'm going to ask you to do is, while you're doing that, just right click and go to inspect. In Firefox it says inspect element. In Chrome it just says inspect. So open that up and switch over to the console. Let me increase the size of this so you can see it. Switch over to the console here and we'll be able to see some information. So when you make a change and you go ahead and publish that, what we're looking for over here is anything that shows up in red. So if you can do that, just right click, hit inspect, go over to the console, and look for any errors that pop up when you click publish. If you could provide that to us, that'll help us out a lot to make sure that we can get you set up, Steven. So I hope that helps, and we're looking forward to hearing back from you. Thank you.